Hello, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to try this. It was shared by Philip Anders. So selfie, this is popular in Amazon, merch by Amazon. So UFO with any animals like a cat, raccoon, you can put here. So using this AI prompt. So this is the one generated using those in Bing or Dall-E 3. So using this is the exact prompt that you use. So I just changed this to one to chihuahua instead of pad. So you can change here this to what's the other one? Yeah, this two. So you can change what animals or creature you can put here, any creatures. Now this image is perfect for like this one. You can enlarge times 4. Then you can directly upload. But if you want to use this one for black shirt, for example, our target is a black shirt. Maybe we can still edit. We can make it more fit. The design will fit in the dark shirts. So we're going to open the Photoshop. So in Photoshop, use this dimensions and 300 black color RGB. Then create the dog design. Enter. So first thing, convert this to rasterize. Control J to duplicate, copy, backup copy. So this image, converts to white, then switch. Make sure this is black in the top. Then we'll go to filter gallery. So I apply the green. So you can adjust how much green. This is the original. Then this is with green. So you can adjust the intensity, whatever intensity you want in your design. I put the contrast in 100. Then halftone pattern. So halftone pattern, this is my setup. You can play around with your design. What do you think would fit? So this is my setting. Then okay. So after that, threshold we can adjust how much details you want. For example, like this. Okay, exact. Then I will choose this two and merge layers. Then we will put white box around this one. So right click this one, blending options, or double click, go to texture. So outside, I choose outside, white color, maybe 40. I would try there. Then slope good, and right click, rasterize. Then I will choose a magic one, set to 100, uncheck this, then select the white part, then Control J to duplicate of the white part. So we have down the new layer, all white. So we can hide this. So this is now white. So you can play around what color do you want here. And we can put some text also. maybe double click here the image and try to change the color. You can play around. So I think this one's good. I will use this. Then eyedropper, I will select that color. And text, I will type. So what we can put here, so I use the text here, Portman. It's a free. It's a free font, is Portman. Portman. So I will choose this two, Control T. And we can align. So if we are going to compare, this is a fit for a t-shirt, black t-shirt, as compared to this. This one is good for light shirts like a white color, but it's better also to remove this other. If we can still edit this one better, and it's good for the overall look of the t-shirt, the final product. If we edit this, so I'm going to put in upload in public. We'll show you. So it's here now in public. I uploaded. So run humans. So it's a good idea, but you can choose your color. If you want white, it's also okay. You can play with colors that you want. But as compared to this one, I think this one looks better. It is easy for printing also. The quality also is better. So that's it. You can play with the halftone. I think this one will fit in the shirt designs using halftone effect. Okay, don't forget to like. Bye bye. Next time.